and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how I organize my art stuff, especially my acrylic stuff. I bought this thing of IKEA and also a couple of boxes for storage, and I'm going to show you how I organize it, and I hope you enjoy it. I sorted my brushes after softness. I added another one. Soft brushes and more stiff hard brushes. These are all the colors that I have. I sorted out the ones that were too dry or very old. And now I'm gonna organize them. I think, yes, of course I planned out a little bit how I want to organize the things, and then I bought the boxes. So let's see. I think I'm gonna do primary colors and all the other colors in here. This is primary blue. And I'm gonna put black and white also in the primary box. So I have all the essentials in here. I just love the LiQWYD basics. Now I'm gonna label them. I changed the batteries. Oh no. I don't have any batteries left, so the labeling must wait. So let's move on from this. These are all sponges and palette knives that I found. I think I do not use that one. acrylic mediums I'm gonna put in here as well to the colors. Pouring medium. This thing I bought for hanging here while I'm painting. But for now I'm gonna put it in here. When I'm painting, I'm always using a cloth, so I bought these clips to put on here. So perfect. So I can hang it in here while painting. And this cutting board, it does not come with it, but it just fits perfectly. It's so cool. This is my finished acrylic painting card, I guess. I really love it. I'm a bit sad about my trusty label machine, which has no batteries left, so I'm gonna label these later on. But for now, it's done. I love it. I hope you enjoyed it. So see you next time. Bye.